Hello and welcome back to another episode of Play and Learn. My name is Kathleen and I'm so glad you came to join us today. Today we'll be making a rainbow craft. You'll need paper, scissors, pencil, newspaper or magazine, and glue. The first thing we're doing is we're taking our white paper and we're just cutting it into the shape of a rainbow. Now that you've got your rainbow shape, I'm going through and sectioning off different areas for each color. It can be a little hard to get them exact, but don't worry too much. I also went around and labeled each section what color I would make it, but that's also optional. Now we're going to go through the newspaper or magazine you have and make different piles for each color. You can see I made purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red piles. Once you've got your piles going, you can take your glue and put it into the first section. I did green first, and you can see how I rip up the paper to be the right size to fit what I need. And now we're just going around the rainbow and filling it in. This is a great way to use something that might otherwise end up in the garbage. Once you've worked your way through all the colors in the rainbow, you should have a beautiful rainbow. I hope you liked this craft, and if you did, don't forget to tune in next week and check out the rest of our series, where we learn new words from the Irish language, read stories, and make more crafts. But until next time, it's time for me to say slán. That means goodbye in Irish. Slán! See you next time.